Hey guys, this is Nerf Nerds and I'm going to be speaking about the Crossfire Bow. On the box, it says it comes with 4 elite darts, 8 and plus. It has the Hasbro, which is the creator of Nerf, Elite, N-Strike Elite, and Zombie Strike. If you turn the box over, it has a whole bunch of cool stuff like how to operate the gun, and all your different languages about warning, zombie strike again, 4 times darts. Okay, so let's open this. There's one piece of tape at the top over here, which you can just cut. Then you open. The box is now empty. Put that aside. Wow. Okay, so you've got your manual, I guess. Your manual over here, simple. And then some warning signs over here. Okay, let's cut it open. There's a cardboard sort of tapey thing over there. Then there's some cardboard over here. To connect this, there's a little hole over here and up top here. So you just need to connect that. Okay. Then we have our bullets up top here. Which are green, elite. Let's snip these out. To load it, it's just open face, so you just put them in. To cock it and load it, you pull that back, then you shoot. Yeah, so please wait for the next review and a range firing test of how far it shoots. This is Nerf Nerd signing out. Please subscribe, and if you have already, please like.